हो गया नाश्ता. Reading. So don't miss that out. Even nowadays. Fire alarm. My name is Namrata.
My name is Kanchi.
And welcome back to our channel. Did you know Canada is a land of immigrants?
How many immigrants come to Canada every year?
And are there enough jobs? Will I get one?
These are some of the common questions that every person moving to Canada has. And this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So make sure you watch the whole video. Also, we have made a very cool video. Our previous video actually is for all the students who are planning to come to Canada. We have shared how you should be selecting your course. So if you have missed that, please watch that video. We are going to link it somewhere here. So now, if you want to work in Canada, you should either have your work permit or PR or COPR or citizenship, Canadian citizenship it is.
बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट यू हैव रेज्यूमे रेडी. यहाँ पे एक रेज्यूमे सारे जॉब पोजीशन के लिए नहीं चलेगा. यू हैव टू क्रिएट डिफरेंट रेज्यूमे फॉर डिफरेंट जॉब पोजीशन.
Yes, and while you're making your resume, make sure that you have a Canadian phone number, a professional email address, and a Canadian address.
Exactly. Or one more thing, guys, you can either create an account in Text Now, or you can create an account in Freetone and get a virtual Canadian number, and you can contact here to the employer directly.
Yes. So the job portals in Canada are LinkedIn,
Monster,
Indeed,
Glassdoor,
Workopolis.
JobScan. So there are 4 popular ones over here. First is Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and company's website.
Yes. So let's look into each one of them and how can you make most out of it.
कोई भी एक चैनल, कोई भी एक वेबसाइट हेल्प नहीं करने वाला है. यू हैव टू अग्रेसिवली फाइंड जॉब हियर. सो इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट सिर्फ लिंक्डइन से अप्लाई करूंगी जॉब और मिल जाएगा, वैसे नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू यूज डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पसेस. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू मेक मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट.
सो बात करते हैं मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट साइट लिंक्डइन. यहाँ पे लोग लिंक्डइन जॉब सर्च करने के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. एज यू नो, लिंक्डइन इज मोस्टली लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्किंग साइट. बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट योर टू हैव अ कंप्लीट लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल. एंड इसके लिए हमने एक 5 स्टेप्स रखे हैं. फॉलो दिस 5 स्टेप्स एंड योर प्रोफाइल विल बी गुड. Starting with your profile pic. Make sure you have a professional profile pic. Do not pout, do not do weird signs, nothing, just a white or a simple plain background, and you're good to go. And after that comes your personal description or your summary, right? Tell them about your accomplishment, tell them about what are you looking forward to. If you are new to the country, it's good to mention that too. And also, if you see under the name, you can sometimes mention that what profile or what what roles and responsibilities are you looking forward to work as. And also on LinkedIn there is one badge which is open to work, which is a great sign to let everybody know that you're open for new opportunities. And then comes your work experience. Mention everything in your work experiences. Also, if there's any achievement or if there is certain budget that you're working with, you can also mention that. It leaves a very good impression. Please make sure that you are letting them know about your certifications. Put all the information, put when did you achieve those certifications, all the details on your LinkedIn profile. And then comes the references. If you have any manager, if you have any ex-co-worker or colleague who can share their experience working with you as a professional person, it is going to be of a great help. So make sure that you're following the steps to make your profile complete.
So the another job portal in Canada is Indeed. Make sure that you register in indeed.ca. It is very simple. You just have to create an account and apply for the job. It is that simple. So don't forget to register, and when you apply for the job, make sure that you attach resume and do not send or do not submit Indeed profile as your resume. And if you're interested in the similar role, please make sure that you turn on the notification, and you will get job roles in your email and in the message. So now that you know which company you are going to, and if you want to know more about, for example, XYZ company, you can always visit Glassdoor. Glassdoor is very informative website. where you can also see the job listing. Also, you can see about company culture, what are the salaries that they are offering for the particular job role, and also the reviews and experiences of the current or ex-employer. So sometimes in Glassdoor, current employee or ex-employee will share company benefits. For example, is there any life insurance or health benefits, and will I get any time off or any employee discount? So another important point in Glassdoor is interview question and answers. So in Glassdoor, usually what happens is current employee or ex-employees, they have already stated the process and questions and answers asked in the past. So you can always take help of that, and you can do better in your interviews.
So the fourth most popular option here in Canada while you're looking for jobs is visiting company's website. Go to the career options, see what are the jobs and responsibilities available. Lucky you if you have a friend working in that company, because then he can definitely refer you. So as we are talking about references, let's quickly go through a LinkedIn networking, okay? So guys, when you're making a connection with anybody over LinkedIn, do not ask for a job referral in the first go. Okay, LinkedIn is a professional networking website. There might be a chances that you're making a connection with somebody and you don't know that person, right? So while doing so, write a short, very simple connection message why you want to connect with that person. You can say that you both are working from, you both are in the same industry, and that's why you want to have him in your professional network. In case if you forget to mention this thing while making a connection, you can always send this message after that person accepts your connection, but never ask for job referral in the first go. That's right.
Yes, do not write essays in your introduction. Just keep it very simple, very short. And another networking channels, popular networking channels are Eventbrite. In that Eventbrite, many companies and many colleges, they conduct career fairs. So you can just virtually join that event and attend and make new connections. And also, like if you're a student, there is always a career fair in the colleges going on every semester. So you can always join and apply for the jobs from there.
Yes. Also, one more thing, guys. This is especially for all the people who are like into finance and who is finance enthusiastic. All the students who are planning to come to Canada. One of my friends is hosting a webinar upcoming Saturday. I'm going to leave all the details in this description bar below. You can find more information. If you're interested, I'm also going to link our Instagram profile. You can just send me a DM there and I'll send you a personal invite via email. Guys, one more thing, you should be knowing that you are moving countries, okay? You are moving your land. So getting a job is not going to be as easy as it is back home. It will take like at least 1 or 2 months. I don't want to demotivate you, but at least that much of time to find a job. Keep going, keep your efforts consistent, and you will see the result.
Yes, and for our upcoming video, we are going to invite HR on our channel. So if you have any comments or any questions, HR related questions, so please comment down below, and we will try to cover as much as possible on our upcoming video.
Yes. So if you guys like this video, please share it with your friends, colleagues, co-workers, anybody who is planning to come to Canada, be it student or on a PR.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And that's it from our side. And thank you so much for watching our video, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.